Homemade remedies for boils. Boils are a skin condition that appear when the hair follicles become infected. These lesions aren't serious, but they are quite painful because the affected area can become extremely irritated. These lesions are very common and can pop up on any part of your body, but the areas most commonly affected by these painful pimples are the armpits, buttocks, shoulders, groin and inner thigh. What causes boils to form? These lesions first appear as insignificant red dots that are slightly painful. However, as time goes by, the pain can intensify quite a bit, and the pimple can grow to a much bigger size due to swelling. Boils are the result of a bacterial infection, especially, although this is not the only reason that boils form. There are other reasons, such as blood poisoning, diabetes, poor hygiene, poor diet. Natural remedies for boils. Place a bit of the membrane found inside eggshells on the affected area. Make a poultice out of raw, grated carrot mixed with a bit of wheat germ. Apply the mixture directly to the boil and cover with a clean cloth. Apply hot water compresses with a clean cloth. This should be done at least 3 times per day. Once the boil pops, you should continue with this treatment so that all of the pus inside the pimple can be removed. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 tablespoon of brewer's yeast and 1 of wheat flour. Stir the mixture to form a smooth cream and apply this to the affected area. Cover it with a cloth and allow it to set all night. Do you suffer from this problem regularly? If so, boil 80 grams of nettle in 1 liter of water and drink this in 3 equal portions throughout the day. This infusion will purify your organism and cleanse your blood. Further recommendations. Don't pop that boil. A boil is a delicate lesion, so you should not put any pressure on it, because doing so could be dangerous, allowing bacteria to invade the bloodstream and infect other parts of your body, sepsis. When you get a boil on your lips or nose, it can be very risky to pop it, because the infection could even reach your brain, meningitis. The affected area must remain very clean. It is extremely important to keep the entire area around the boil very clean. To do that, you can wash the area with a cloth or cotton ball and a bit of rubbing alcohol or iodine. You should clean the entire area at least 3 or 4 times per day. You should perform the cleaning in the shower, not in the bath, so that you can avoid spreading the infection to other parts of the body or to other people. When you clean a boil, you must use appropriate gloves, and regardless of whether or not you use gloves, you should wash your hands very well after cleaning the area and before preparing food so that you can avoid intoxicating others. Warning signs to head straight to the doctor. If you are treating a boil and start to experience the following symptoms, you should go to the doctor as soon as possible, because these are clear signs that the infection is spreading. There is a large red area around the boil. The lymph nodes close to the boil are somewhat painful. A red line that goes out of the affected area appears near the boil. Remember, having a boil isn't a serious problem, but you can take certain precautions to make sure that this condition doesn't spread, worsen or turn into an infection that could require more specialized treatments.